Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your Feng Shui Guru and Paranormal Expert. Horoscope, Gemini, May 21 to June 20. Today is June 15, 2024, Saturday. Sincerity. How sincere you are to your relationship. Not only with romantic undertone, but also with your friends. If you are sincere with your friends, it will just show. And this time, that sincerity will serve you very well because your friends are not only supportive in whatever they can, in whatever way they could, even financial assistance from your friends. Ang ating horoscope po na araw na ito ay panahon pa rin ng Gemini, May 21 to June 20, June 15, 2024, araw ng Sabado. Sinseridad. Kapag ang tao ay tapat sa kanyang relasyon sa kanyang kapwa-tao, mananatili yun ng pangmatagalan. Kasi habang tumatagal ang relasyon sa kaibigan, ay lalabas talaga yung tunay na ugali. Mapapatunayan ng mga kaibigan mo sa iyo na sila ay tunay mong mga kaibigan, tapat sa iyo, at susuportahan ka sa kahit anong paraan. Paring sabihin natin na through thick and thin,